If your OneDrive is running out of space, the fastest way to free up room is to transfer files from OneDrive to your computer and then remove them from the cloud. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can save space without losing access to your important files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneDrive Web in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside your OneDrive dashboard where all of your files and folders are stored online. Now click on My Files so you can see everything that's currently taking up space in your OneDrive storage. Next, take a moment to choose the files or folders you want to move onto your computer. This is the most important part because anything you keep in OneDrive will continue using cloud storage. So if you have large videos, old documents, photos or folders you no longer need to keep online, select those items now. You can pick one file, multiple files, or even a full folder depending on how much space you want to free up. Once you've made your selection, click the download button. OneDrive will begin downloading the selected files to your computer. Depending on the size of the files and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the download finishes, the files are usually saved in your Downloads folder by default. Now press Windows+E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. This gives you quick access to your files and folders on your PC. On the left side, click Downloads and look for the files you just downloaded from OneDrive. If you downloaded a folder, you should see it here, ready to move. At this point, you can move those files to a normal folder on your computer, such as Documents, Desktop, or even a drive like D if you use one for storage. To move the files, you can use Ctrl+X to cut them, then go to the folder where you want to store them and press Ctrl+V to paste them. This transfers the files from downloads into a more permanent location on your computer. That way, they are saved locally and not sitting in a temporary download folder. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the files into the folder you want, but cut and paste is usually the cleanest option if you want to organize everything properly. The main goal here is to make sure the files are safely stored on your PC before you delete them from OneDrive. Now that the files are saved on your computer, go back to OneDrive Web. Find the same files or folders you just downloaded and delete them from OneDrive. This is what actually frees up your cloud storage. If you skip this step, the files will still remain in OneDrive and your storage space will not change. After deleting them, don't forget one final step. Open the OneDrive recycle bin. Deleted files often stay there for a while, and until the recycle bin is emptied, they can still count against your storage in some cases. So once you've confirmed everything is safely stored on your computer, click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove those files from OneDrive and fully reclaim the space. And that's it. You've now transferred files from OneDrive to your computer and removed them from the cloud, which is a simple and effective way to free up storage space. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.